What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look and we're going to do a little bit of training on some futures 5-minute time frame using one of the strategies that I like to use. Now, I'm going to kind of document day in and day out what exactly it is that I'm doing. I know if you guys have been watching this channel, you guys know I love to play over under the 20 SMA, looking to scalp when we are trading above and looking to scalp short when we are trading below. There's a few things that kind of need to kind of get panned out as far as rules and risk and so forth and so forth. So I'm funded with a different couple of different prop firms. I just opened up a new account along with my 2 funded accounts with Apex. That link is down in the description box below. By the way, if you guys want to learn how to start trading and maybe necessarily you don't want to use your own cash up front, especially while you're practicing, but you want to have a little skin in the game, so that way if you do master and you do become profitable, you guys can actually get a payout. Apex is running something stupid like a 90% off discount. You can get a $100,000 static account for like 15 bucks, right? It's really a no-brainer. Even if you make $200-300 in your first month, 2 months, and you paid $15, your return on investment is absolutely fantastic. That discount code is just SAVE 90, so SAVE 90. Anyways, that's besides the point. So what we're looking at here is if I pull up my Rhythmic account, kind of show exactly what was going on here. So we can see here the net P&L on this particular account was $302.42. The net P&L on this account was $175.26. Now this account, I took 6 trades overall. 6 trades was 100% win rate. This account here, I took 15 trades. 13 of those were winning trades. I had 1 losing trade. Again, it's going to go off of the amount of contracts that you're trading, so forth and so forth. I didn't actually trade that many times in and out. But the win rate on this was 86%. I scratched 6% of the time. So 1 trade I pushed on. With that being said, let's look at some of the setups. So if we look at 6:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, I got off to a very, very hot start. Here is our first close above the 20 SMA. This is all I'm doing, guys. This is going to be a part of the rules. We are looking to take 2 or 3 pushes higher as far as when it comes to taking profits, and we're looking to only lose 1 bar. What does that mean? If this is the candle here at 6:30 that closes over the 20 SMA, what I am going to do is put a hard stop loss here below the low wick. That price was 15.024. If we were to lose this action here, lose this low, I am out. I just have to chalk it up and move along with my day. Now, what I'm looking for in order for me to start taking profits is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm looking for 2, 3, or 4 pushes higher. Now, once we start getting the 3rd push, the 3rd candle that closes above the previous candle higher, we're allowed to start taking those profits, but we want to start trailing our stop loss up now to around break even or just above break even. So I started to take my profits on this run up here, on this little bit of a wick here, pulled back a little bit. I only took 3 micros and I made $100, right around $100 on that first trade overall. So again, you don't need to trade the NQ. You can trade micros, you can trade MNQ. Some people think that, you can't make any money trading micros. Guys, you piece together $100, $200, $300 a day times multiple accounts. You're piecing together a fantastic day. You don't need to try to hit those $1,000 trades. You don't need to hit those $10,000 trades. Take $100 here, take $50 here, take $40 there. Be realistic, right? So that was the first trade that I took here. And then I went in on a little bit of a scalp. I had a previous supply zone up in this area. So what I did was when I started to see that we could not break and start to build higher, I just put a hard stop here at 15.153. And when I got the first red candle to take out a previous green candle, I went ahead and went short, and this was going to be my hard stop. So this candle here, as soon as we took out the previous green candle, I went short here, quickly had to sit through a little bit of drawdown, 5 minutes, and then we got the flush, and I took my profits into this 20 period moving average. Because remember, guys, the 20 period moving average, we made a nice push higher. We came back to back test. The reason why I took profits here is because I did not want to get trapped in a bounce. This would have been a perfect bounce for continuation. That did not happen. Okay. So being that did not happen, I just went ahead and locked in those gains right there. Now my second trade came once we closed below the 20. Again, here was your second setup. Now where was your stop loss going to be, guys? Remember, if we're only going to allow a 1 bar loss, we want to put a hard stop loss here. If this trickles down, okay, let me clean this up for you guys, okay? So if our hard stop loss is here, if we take entry on this candle and we get the washout, however, we do not get 2-3 candles lower than our entry to take profits, and this bounces and then takes out our 1 candle, we've got to cut the trade. That is the rule. Keep it simple, have rules, stay disciplined. Stop loss, entry, we are looking for 1, 2, 3 pushes lower. We're taking profits here, guys. This is where we're taking profits, okay? Let me draw this up for you again, okay? As soon as you see us close below the 20 period moving average, your entry price is here. Your stop loss is there. We are looking for 1, 2, 3 pushes lower to start taking profits. We want to take profits here. Either we're taking the full position, or we're taking half, or we're taking quarter size. Next thing, what we're doing is we are moving our stop loss to here, above this candle now. So if we do start to close above it, we've got to get the heck out of the trade. And then we are doing the same process. We are looking for stop loss here in this area, stop loss there. We are looking for 1, 2, 3. Could be considered 3 pushes lower on that, and you can see we got a little bit of a bounce and then some consolidation. We finally got another setup here. Entry was here, and that dropped very, very nice. But that's exactly what we're looking for, guys. There was a play to the upside. If you look here, entry was here, stop loss was here. 1, 2, 3 pushes higher you could technically take. Again, if you did not take on the second or third push, you probably started to get chopped up a little bit here, and then it obviously reversed. So again, that could be a scratch trade. It could be a little bit of a profitable trade. Again, you know, I took a couple of trades in here. I took this short position here, got stopped out. I also did take this short position here. I was anticipating a further flush here. I got stopped out. Did not take the long, but I did catch this last short position there. But again, guys, remember, please, if you're going to get funded with a prop firm, please trade micros in the beginning, at least until you're funded, at least till you got some skin in the game, at least till you're comfortable with this. Trade 2 or 3 micro contracts max. You're going to avoid hitting a trailing drawdown. You're going to avoid getting stopped out. You're going to avoid blowing an account, and you're going to be able to stay in the game to take those trades over and over and over, so you can kind of learn your genetic trading makeup, right? See what makes you tick, see what gets you anxiety, see where you're comfortable at as far as sizing. Again, the strategy is very, very simple. Close over the 20. We need confirmation. We are only going to lose 1 bar. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes higher. We could start taking at 2. We could definitely take at 3. 4 is considered a home run, okay? So that's all we're looking for there. Again, we close below the 20, so our stop loss becomes over that bar. Our entry is here. We're looking for 1, 2, 3 pushes lower, looking to lock in gains there. Strategy is very, very, very simple, guys. A lot of it is sitting on your hands and allowing these setups to come to you, and then just taking them and reacting to them. Again, let's say, for example, you went long here because we closed over the 20 and this price did break, and now you get stopped out because we do lose this 1 bar. A lot of traders are scared to turn around and go short because they just lost. Guys, if you're a trader, you have to be able to go long, you have to be able to go short, and you need to be able to flip at a dime, flip at the drop of a hat. Just because you got stopped out here, right, on this particular trade does not mean that you cannot get back in short, because guess what? You have a perfect setup. If this little baby candle closes below the 20 SMA, your stop loss becomes here, okay? It's very, very clear. All we need to do is jump into this candle here. 1, 2, 3 pushes lower, you should be taking profits here at the low of day. I hope this video makes sense. If you guys want to join the prop firm, you guys want to get involved, you don't want to risk your own money, the links are down in the description box below. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, those links are down in the description box below. Join the Discord, get access to one-on-one coaching, get access to my complete strategy guide. It is all at evolutiontraders.com. Again, I highly thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the inside.